Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 2nd of March. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will stay wet at times all the way through Thursday. Maybe some thunderstorms along the way, maybe some flooding along the way. A lot to talk about in this active pattern, so let's go. This is the upper look across the country at 500 millibars. Got a deep upper low near San Diego and a very unsettled, wavy southern branch of the jet stream in advance of that. And it's been a wet Monday, as expected. That was the radar at 237. The bulk of the rain south of Interstate 59, generally south of Birmingham. We'll maintain the chance of some rain at times tonight. Better chance of rain tomorrow, most likely during the morning hours. There's the visible satellite view. Actually got a few thin spots in the overcast. In fact, looks like a few spots over central Alabama are getting some sunshine, but for most places, the sky is overcast. Got 66 for Tuscaloosa, mostly 50s elsewhere. Birmingham 59, Anniston, Gadsden, Fort Payne at 55. Kind of a complex temperature scheme across the southeastern states. You got low 70s down in South Alabama. You've got cold air damming. It's 52 in Atlanta, and some of that cooler air is into East Alabama. And then north of the state, there's a cold front that's in southern Missouri. North of that front, you got 53 at St. Louis. South of that front, you've got 70 at Little Rock. So numbers are just all over the board. But I do think we could see low 70s in here tomorrow in advance of that front. There's the watch warning map, a very quiet afternoon, but some strong storms are possible later today and tonight, especially in areas north and west of Birmingham. We've got the standard slight risk from Little Rock over to Memphis and Nashville. The main threat would be from hail and strong winds. In Alabama late tonight, that risk includes the Tennessee Valley and parts of West Alabama as that front sags southward. But again, the overall risk for our state is low with very, very, very limited instability. Now, tomorrow in advance of the front, you've got a risk of severe storms through parts of central and south Texas over into the deep south. Just a low-end marginal risk for central and south Alabama tomorrow as a cold front pushes down into South Alabama. Some of the storms might produce small hail, gusty winds, but again, not really a major threat. Now, this is day 3 on Wednesday. Got a wave of low pressure along that front, and if the warm sector can move inland, there's a risk of severe storms on the immediate Gulf Coast. You can see in Alabama, that includes Mobile and Baldwin and Escambia counties, the standard level 2. Got a marginal risk farther inland, but there's a big question about instability on Wednesday, as you'll see. But if the warm sector can move inland, there could be a few storms near the Gulf Coast Wednesday with strong winds and maybe a few isolated tornadoes. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the deep south is wet. Now, this counts the rain we had today. Rain amounts between 2 and 4 inches for much of the state, and the bulk of that will be between now and Thursday morning. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 3. Upper low south of Phoenix, troughing north of here, and a surface front comes through. And for us, I think the better chance of rain will be during the morning. The afternoon should be relatively dry, and if the afternoon is dry, a good chance we see low 70s tomorrow. That'll feel pretty good. Now, Wednesday will be cooler. We'll be in the 50s all day with the front way down to the south. The surface low forms near Houston with a warm front near the Gulf Coast. So Wednesday is going to be a very wet day. The rain can be heavy at times. Wednesday night, the surface low is near Baton Rouge. Still very wet. And again, looking at the instability, this is the surface-based Cape off the high-res NAM Thursday evening at 6 o'clock, really showing the warm sector is still well offshore. So there's a big question mark about how far north can the warm sector move. Maybe far enough north to affect the immediate Gulf Coast. But for most of Alabama, just a cool, soaking rain Wednesday and Wednesday night. Rain might be heavy at times. There could be some flooding issues. And then Thursday, the rain will be ending during the day, the rain ending from west to east. The high Thursday close to 60. And Friday, a different kind of day. The sky will be sunny. We start the day in the 30s. The high will be 57 to 60. Nothing but sunshine. What about the weekend? Saturday looks good. Now, the morning's going to be cold. Will be around freezing. 20s for the colder pockets. The high Saturday, 57 to 60. The sky bright and sunny. And Sunday, we're dry. Partly to mostly sunny with mid-60s. That'll feel pretty good. Here's a week from today. This is Monday the 9th. A little shortwave coming in. That suggests more rain moving in. So next Monday could be another rainy start to that work week. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 12th troughing on the East Coast. An offshore surface low, but for us, we're dry if this verifies. So the better chance of rain next week, most likely early in the week, Monday and maybe on Tuesday. Here's the rain for the next 15 days coming off the European ensemble. The mean in excess of 4 inches as this wet pattern continues. Temperatures, you can see the cool down with upper 50s Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, close to 60 Saturday, then back in the mid to upper 60s next week. And these values, if you average all that out, pretty close to average values for early and mid-March. And this is the new CPC outlook just in for the 10th through the 16th of March, suggesting above average temperatures for much of the contiguous United States. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.